guys! So for today's video, we are going to discuss how to rewrite the equation of the circle from general form to standard form. And we are going to apply completing the square para ma-rewrite natin itong general form natin in the standard form. Okay, una natin gawin, pagsamahin natin yung pareho yung variables. Okay, so we have here x squared minus kasi negative yung 10 natin, 10x. So, pareho silang x. A plus blank. Dahil nga magko-complete tayo, may blank tayo dyan. Okay? And then plus, yung plus natin, yung y naman, we have y squared plus, positive kasi positive si 12, 12y plus blank. Okay? Laging plus blank ha? Equals to, etong ating constant term, ilipat natin sa kabila. So, plus 5 magiging, correct, negative 5. Tapos, kung ano yung in-add mo dito, i-add mo rin dito. Kung ano yung in-add mo dito, i-add mo lang din dito. So, pareho lang to, pareho lang to. Okay? So, paano natin gagawin yung completing the square? We have b over 2a squared. Ito si a, yung coefficient dito, ito si b. Okay? So, we have here our b as negative 10 over 2 times yung a natin, di ba? Walang number, pero alam natin invisible 1 yan. Kaya 1. And then squared. Okay? Now, 2 times 1 is just 2. So, ito 2 lang to. Negative 10 divided by 2 is, correct, negative 5. I-square mo pa. So, negative 5 times negative 5 is simply 25. So, you have here 25. And you have here 25. Okay? Para naman sa y, ganun din. Ito si a, ito si b. Okay? So, we have b over 2a squared. Ano ang b natin? 12. Over 2 times, ang a natin ay 1. Diba? Invisible 1. And then you square it. 2 times 1 is just 2. So, 12 divided by 2 is 6 squared. 6 squared is just 36. Ayan na. Kaya na natin to. Dapat ito, ang maging itsura niya ganyan. Ito naman ito. So, paano natin yung gagawin? We are just going to get the square root of the first term and the last term. Okay? Paano? So, kunin natin, erase ko lang to. Yung square root nito, saka yung square root nito. So, ang square root ng x squared is just x. Okay? Ang square root ng 25 is just 5. So, ito, magiging x. Anong operation dito? Minus, kaya minus 5. And then you square it. Ganun lang siya. A plus, erase ko lang to para di malito. Square root ng first term at square root ng last term. So, we have the square root of y squared. So, magiging y lang yan. And then, square root ng last term, 36 is just 6. Kasi 6 times 6 is 36. So, meron kang y. Anong operation natin? Plus. Plus 6 squared. Okay, ito naging minus kasi minus to. Ito naging plus kasi middle term na plus. Equals to, what is negative 5 plus 25? I-add ba to? Hindi, di ba? Kasi magkaiba yung sign. Kaya magiging ilan yan? 20, di ba? Plus 36. So, you have 56. Okay, so the standard form of the given general form is this one. Madali lang, di ba? Medyo mahaba lang, pero madali lang naman siya gawin. Now, you try. What will be the standard form of this? Okay? Don't forget to follow for more math videos. And remember that sharing is caring. Bye!